Alright guys, so what up? Haven't vlogged in a minute. Just pulled out my iPhone just because it's something unexpected. Maybe when I just got done with the gym, had some breakfast. Right now I'm headed home to change for work, and he's about to head over to the tire shop. Yeah. So when I get to the shop, I'll show you guys what not to do with your car. Yeah, renting freaking hella Camber on the Federals, and that shit only lasted for like a month. So yeah, we're gonna go to our local shop, Triple S's. Really cool guys. They're gonna hook us up on some tires. They're not gonna be the best, but he's gonna go down a few sizes just because these were a little bit too meaty and we had like rubbing issues. So hopefully with the new tires he gets, he doesn't have to run so much Camber, and the fitment will be better. But yeah, right now it's like a dangerous amount of wire. Like I would even drive it 2 miles, like that bad. Like I was telling Mabel, I was like, dude, all these late nights you're up and shit and you never hit me up. I feel like, are you just out there doing like sideshows or some shit, you know? Because it looks that bad. But I'll definitely give you guys an update once I get changed and get to the tire shop and show you guys how bad the tires are. So yeah, I'll give you guys an update in a bit. Guys, heading out. My dad just made me some chow fun. I'm about to throw away the pizza. There's RSX. Alright, we're gonna head on over to the tire shop now. I don't think YouTube's seen my new setup, but there's some Cosmos wheels. Pretty cool wheels. Finally went 18s, but I'm thinking about going wider, more aggressive setup, but that'll be probably next vlog. Shit, maybe it'll help to unlock my car. Yeah, still vlogging with the freaking iPhone. Need to get myself a freaking camera. The interior. Got my Downstar shift knob. Our car seats. Alright. Yeah. Don't mind this. The freaking glass is all messed up on this deck, but whatever. Still works hella good. Alright. Get back to you guys when we get to the tire shop. Alright guys, so we just got here to the tire shop. Freaking Triple S's. There we got Mabel's wheels off. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So we got Mabel over here. Here's his car on jack.
Come see the new rims. Come see. Come on.
New.
Right
Oh.
here.
Oh shit.
Be killing it.
Diamond
drag
Steelies?
radials.
Where's the garbage ones?
Garbage?
Oh my
garbage right
god.
here.
Oh my god, that shit was ready to go out at any second, dude.
They said run Camber. It would be cool and fun. And cool.
Camber gang,
Super
they said.
fun.
Camber gang. This
They
lasted
didn't
less
say
than a
anything
month.
about wire. Like 500 miles maybe?
Hey, were you doing sideshows, dude?
No comment.
No comment. Okay, alright. Plead the fifth. Plead the fifth. So that's what happened, my man. But the fronts are still chilling. So I'll probably keep the fronts. Oh man, the back we're going for. I don't want to touch that, dude. I'll freaking get cut.
Dude, look how it just sits on the ground.
Oh, I know. Even Camber's one is on the ground, dude. Natural Camber.
Does it look like that, huh?
Gay, man. Yeah. So yeah, maybe we went from 265 40s to now 245 40. A little bit less aggressive, but hey, it'll be probably functional. Probably lower the car more now. Big ol' ass intakes hanging out. These are not Stillins, so
And
that's
these
that.
are not turbos for the 1,700 people
Yeah.
that have asked.
They're not turbos, they're not horns. This isn't an STI, and made in America. That's what it says. But yeah, freaking good thing Mabel was getting new tires, dude. That was freaking dangerous. Dangerous guy.
It's all balanced.
I like to live my life on the edge.
Yeah, he does.
Oh, that's where they put it on? I don't know.
He's got his motor down exhaust, carbon fiber trunk, clean. Hella sick ass wrap job he did on a stock trunk.
You guys got a grinder? I need to grind my shit right now.
Hey, if you guys are in the 707 area, we roll shit. Not the best, but we'll do it. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Don't hit us up because we'll fuck your shit up. Hammer and bat, everything. But we do got a heat gun though, so we're pretty professional with that. But yeah, Triple S's guys, right here on Sebastopol Road. Let them know Daniel sent you, and they'll give you some good prices. They're able to get Mabel's tires in today, so that was really cool of them because he needed them ASAP.
Fucking sad.
Yeah. So hopefully they run cool now.
Shit, is that a Tomato?
Oh, where's it tell me? Oh,
no,
shit.
Tacoma double.
It is a Tacoma. So yeah, there's RSX. Looks a little bit different from my last video. Did a few extra things, but on another day I'll do like a walk around of the car. But currently I like how it sits. It's just that I'm maxed out in the front. And I got big plans for this one. Big plans. She's a little bit dirty, but it's all good. Oh, Jesus. Twerk, twerk, twerk. Oh, no.
I can't.
No,
I
no
can only
twerking.
twerk on walls.
Oh, okay. Yeah, same.
Samesies.
So the other rear one's out. These are the two right here. Just straight up freaking trashed. Only ran them for like 20 days. Maybe a little bit more, give or take.
$40 for both. Hit me up.
Yeah,
$40.
40 bucks.
Or two
just
bobas.
2 boba drinks. Same thing, you know. Hit them up if you want these. 265 40s. The tires are still hella good. This one was from the front, but maybe we decided to go all around. New specs. Just because this car is all-wheel drive, so you need to have the same tires all around. But they don't look bad. He's got some Etc. tires. They're not great tires, but they're what we can get right now for being in Santa Rosa. So we couldn't really be asking for much. But yeah, they look cool. We just need to lower the car more. Right now the other side's jacked up, so obviously it looks low, but I think that's a fitment that maybe we should go with. But maybe was afraid of the low life. He ain't used to it. That guy's used to the monster truck life. Let's see my fitment. It's not the greatest, but it's better than Mabel's fitment. I would go lower in the front, but fronts are maxed out. Freaking still got my whole entire freaking hand going in there, so that's kind of shitty. That is what it is. The rears are pretty cool. Freaking can't fit any fingers in there, so it's a pretty tight fitment. Haven't rubbed any of my like tire lettering or anything off, so it's a cool fitment right now.
You're not even low.
That is true. I'm not even that low. If you look at my coilovers, not even maxed out. Still got like another inch to go. But I'm in between Swift Springs or bags. It's just a huge jump from bags. But we'll see. She's not garage, so I feel like I feel bad bagging her and she's like sitting outside all the time. And I wouldn't want anyone to jack her. So yeah. Look at those wheels though. For Mabel's birthday I got him center caps. Kind of sucks because the front ones, the axle nut is too big, so center caps didn't fit. But got him these bad boys. Pretty cool. And this nut over here is freaking sticking out like hell. Can't really tell from the camera, but yeah, the cap won't even like go in and lock in. So that's that. We got a 350. 2 Tomies. Cool guy. All right, guys. I know you missed my face, but Mabel's car is done. Got the 245 40s on there. I'm about to head over to work, so this will wrap up the vlog. Maybe we'll still need some alignment, so I don't know what the next vlog is gonna be about, but you guys will see. Don't forget to drop a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what do you guys want me to do, like freaking with my car or whatever. Yeah. All right, guys. See you later.